Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today I will make, they call it Christmas fruit bread. And these are all the ingredients. First thing I'm gonna do is, I have this bowl here. I have 3 eggs here. Beat this until fruity. And then I will add 3/4 cup of white sugar and half a cup cooking oil. You can use any kind of oil you want, but I'm using canola oil. Beat to blend. This is half a cup of milk. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And 1 cup grated carrots. In another bowl here, I will sift the dry ingredients. This is 2.5 cups of flour. 1 teaspoon baking soda and 1 teaspoon baking powder. Half a teaspoon of salt, half a cup of shredded coconut, half a cup of mixed glaze, half a cup of raisin, half a cup of chopped walnuts, and the cinnamon, and mix this all together. Pour this in another bowl all at once. Then stir it until only it's moistened. I will use the mixer. It's faster. And pour this into a loaf pan. This is non-stick. And bake this into a 350 degrees oven for 1.25 hours. And see you later. I will check my Christmas fruit bread. Look at that. Look at that. Looks very tasty and very yummy too. Okay. Have a slice on this side. Look at that. Looks very pretty. It's very soft. Oh. Very good. Not sweet. I reduced the sugar. Okay. Thank you guys for watching my video. See you next time. Bye-bye.